Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the song The Old Man Is Dead, written by Del Way. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet for this lesson. So let's get started. Now and then, an old friend of mine, one I've seen quite some time, will stop by and ask me, where have you been? What's on your mind? They wonder why I'm not drinking and still painting this old town red. I tell them I'm serving Jesus now, and the old man is dead. And the man you see before you may look a lot the same. I may wear the same clothes, have that same old name. You're looking on the outside. If you could see inside instead, you would see a brand new man, 'cause the old man is dead. Great song by Del Way. It just has a great message to it. Okay, we're going to learn the chords of this. The chords we play are chords that you've learned on previous lessons. We'll use the chord of C. Of course, the song is written in the key of C major, E minor, A minor, and then the F chord I haven't taught, but don't be scared of it. We can learn that pretty easy. And then G. So that'll be all the chords needed to play in this lesson here. Okay, just a quick review of the chords. C major, your first finger's on the second string of the first fret. Skip a string, and then your second finger goes on the fourth string of the second fret, and then stretch your third finger to the third fret on the fifth string. Play all strings but the top string. That's C major. Then looking at E minor, you just want to use finger number 2 on string 5 of the second fret, finger number 3 on string 4 of the second fret, and then strum all strings. That's E minor. And then A minor, just keep these fingers, or just put your finger number 1 on the second string and move these two fingers down. That is A minor. So first finger is on string number 2 of the first fret. Finger number 2 is on the fourth string of the second fret. And then finger number 3 is on the third string of the second fret. And then strum all the strings but the top string. That's A minor. Okay, the F chord is similar shape as to the C, but these two fingers will go down one string, and you want to bar these first two strings with your index finger or with finger number 1. So bar strings 1 and 2 of the first fret, like that, and then finger number 2 is on the third string of the second fret. Finger number 3 is on the third fret of the fourth string. Now what you want to do to get this bar is you're going to have to kind of place your thumb more pointing toward the head of the guitar, and kind of put your palm closer in this way and tuck your elbow in order to do that. Okay, you can't hardly do this straight on with your thumb up like so. So you're going to have to kind of lean sideways and it kind of grip like you can see close up right there. Don't do it like this, okay? And then strum all the strings but the top string. That's F. So you can kind of see I'm kind of leaning all these fingers. Okay, there's an F bar chord that you can play, but you're barring all strings, and I found it's a lot easier just to do that. And then the last chord is G major, first finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. Your finger number 2 is on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your finger number 3 is on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and finger number 4, pinky finger, is also on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. G major, or if you just want to do the standard G. In this song I just do the standard G. Okay, so those are the chords. If you look at the chord progression, we're going to be playing basically 2 beats. There's 4 beats in a measure, but we'll be primarily playing 2 beats of C, 1, 2, and then two beats of E minor, 1, 2, and then 4 beats of A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats of F, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 beats of G, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then that's simply repeated. So the strumming pattern, I'll just do a down up, just a simple 4/4 time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Okay, to look at the introduction that I played earlier, the little riff, it starts off with a C chord, and you're primarily going to be using your little finger. Okay, so your little finger is going to be on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and you just kind of want to pick the upstroke on off. So, and then place your little finger on the 1st string of the bottom of the 3rd fret. So it'll be and then you want to start off kind of playing the C, the bass notes. Strum the C one time, and then play upstroke. So the second verse goes, I used to live an old wicked life. I had no hope inside. I was lost in darkness, searching for the light. Then one night in a little church, after hearing what the preacher said, I gave my life to Jesus, and the old man was dead. Now to transition into the chorus, you want to play a C7. So you just put your finger down on that 3rd string of the 3rd fret. And that'll transition you right into F, okay? On the chorus, you use F, 2, 3, 4 beats, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2 beats, E minor, 2 beats, A minor, 4 beats, and then F again, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2 beats, E minor, 2 beats, A minor, 4 beats, F, 4 beats again, G, 4 beats, C, 2 beats, A minor, 4 beats, F, 4 beats, G, 4 beats. Now back to F, 2 beats, 1, 2, G, 2 beats, and C, and Then you can end with the riff. All right, very easy song to learn. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. That way you'll be notified when new lessons are uploaded. I try to do 1 to 2 lessons per week. And if you have any suggestions of songs that you would like to learn or different chords, be sure and leave those in the comment below. Appreciate my current subscribers. You have a blessed day and God bless you.